When it comes to car maintenance, Audra Fordin says there's a lot women auto know. The certified mechanic is the owner of Great Bear Auto Repair in Flushing, shutting down the stereotype that fixing cars is a man's job.
Women lack confidence when it comes to their car, and you don't have to be an auto expert or a mechanic to understand your car.
Fordin hopes to put women in the driver's seat with her newly published book. It's called End Auto Anxiety, No Fear Car Repair and Maintenance for Busy Women. The book covers everything from what to do when your car breaks down to common causes of the check engine light.
98% of mechanics are men. At the same time, 85% of consumer purchases are made by women. Hence, women auto know. Are you being upsold, or do you really need a service?
Fordin also offers a hands-on experience. If you get your car serviced here on a Monday or Wednesday afternoon or anytime on a Saturday, you're entitled to a free car maintenance workshop while you wait.
Watching the expression on people's faces to jumpstart a battery, wow, I can do this. Empowering is the best word to describe it.
And since car repair has never really been my forte, I got some pointers on how to keep a vehicle in tip-top shape. I have a long way to go before I'm a pro like Audra, but you'll just have to give me a break until then. The book is currently available electronically. Printed copies will be released next week. For more information, go to womenautoKnow.com. In Flushing, Shannon Ferry, New York 1.